Hello everyone, this is David. Today I will show you how to unpack our embroidery machine and how to install it. Okay, at first we can look for a small screwdriver and open the clamps like this. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, okay. After we open all clips on the top of the wooden box, we can open the cover like this. And then we need to check the accessories which comes with machine. Let me check one by one. This is a cap hoop and this is a cap station. You can say it's a cap station. And another cap hoop and the cap driver was installed on the machine. And this one two suits of gummed hoops. And this one the big gummed hoop one pieces. And this is a flat embroidery free. And this is a winning machine used for wing thread on bobbin. Okay, and this is a flat embroidery table. It works with a flat embroidery free. And this is a user manual of the machine. And this is a thread picker used for when you threading on the machine. And this is a part of the machine stand. Also, we need to open the clips of this side to take out the machine. Okay, after removing this side of the wooden box, we can find this is a machine stand, and there is a two toys case, and we can find this screwdriver in the toys case and take out the biggest one because the machine was fixed on the bottom board of this wooden box, so we need to lose the screws of the two screws at the bottom of the machine. Okay, you can say we had to lose the first screw here and another one at this corner. Okay, you can say this is the second screw, and now the machine can be taken out from the wooden box. But before that, we need to assemble the machine stander first. We can take out the machine stander and find this screw in twice case, and let's get started to assemble the stander. At first, you can adjust the full photo height to make it be almost the same height with the full wires. And after adjust the photo height, you can tie this screw to fix the photo height. Okay. Okay, let's get started to assemble the machine stand. You can say the biggest board is the bottom board of the machine stand, and now we can use a 5mm screw and a washer and a 5mm screwdriver to fix the board. And then the two small boards are the back boards of the machine stand. We can also fix the boards by the 5mm screw and a washer. Okay, at last we can fix the right board in front of a machine stand by the same screw. Okay, after assembling the machine stand, we can find this full TPU soft mat in the toys case, and we can put it on the four corners of the machine stand, and then we can take out the machine and put machine on machine stand. Okay, after putting machine on machine stand, we can find this big screw and the washer in toys kit. And then we can fix the machine stand and the machine by the big screw in the four corners, and tie the screw by the big screwdriver. Okay, okay, the Rainbow Embroidery Machine had been installed well. In next video, we will show you how to threading and how to operate the control screen. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.